All right, guys, how you guys doing today? Yes, on this particular one, I still VDM. As I know, say yesterday, social media went gaga as Burnaboy spent 3.2 billion naira for one particular car. 3.2 billion naira. You take buy one car. A lot of Nigerians have responded by saying Davido is warming up to do the same because these guys have been competing with themselves by buying most expensive cars for the past couple of years. Burnaboy, Wizkid, and Davido. Now, the leading person right now is Burnaboy. But you will be surprised. The submission from Very Dark Man is coming from a different angle on this particular one. Let's listen to what Very Dark Man have to say.
All right, so yesterday, I saw a news that Burnaboy got a car worth $2.2 million, which is equivalent to 3.something billion now. I also saw that same yesterday again. I saw a post on Tunde page that Davido bought a car of 1.something billion now. Now, I didn't want to, they don't do the same thing last year. Burnaboy, Davido, and Wizkid, they just buy car up and down, they display. This one I don't want to talk, but I say fuck it today. I'm just gonna speak my mind, right? The question I have for Burnaboy, Wizkid, and Davido: don't you people read the room? Una not really the sick country where una come from. You people are not the government, right? But I just need to say this. Davido, let me start with you, Davido. Because now you are nowhere and I be my guy. The state where you come from, what can you beat your chest to say you have done for the people of Osun State? What is your own contribution to the growth of Nigeria? Because you have benefited from Nigeria. You have benefited from the fans. What can the fans say they've benefited from you? The last time I see a video of you for Osun, now when your uncle they campaigned to be governor and you needed to help him secure votes, you stand for road. But after then, what can you say? Okay, yes, this is what I built that benefited 3,000, 5,000 youths, that elevated them from poverty. What can you beat your chest to say? But you go buy car 1 billion, this one. You get cars, nobody say you no get, you go buy. They rob them for the face of people. They make her look as if country good, in as much as everybody knows the country no good. So Davido, you, what can you say the people have benefited from you? That's number one. Number two, Burnaboy. Burnaboy, I remember you were where you be comrade before, where they talk against the bad doings of the government. You come from Port Harcourt. Wait if you talk say Port Harcourt people don't benefit from you. When was the last time you visited Port Harcourt to say, okay, yes, okay, Port Harcourt, NAIJA data and a place where we say, as we speak, so now only fraud be the main thing where they take get money. The whole NAIJA data, occultism. Which if you talk say, okay, yes, I put this thing here, may benefit 5,000 youths. You, Burnaboy, you were a comrade talking against the evil doings of the government. But as soon as you just start to make more money, you start to buy cars. Buy cars, oh, show yourself, I buy Labo, I do this one, I do that one. What can you say the people have benefited from you, Burnaboy? And like I said, now the people give una, make una be today. They hype you people, they show you love, they buy your ticket, they stream your music. Wizkid, you came from Surulere. What can you say the Surulere people don't benefit from you so far? What? All of now, all you people do is to show wealth because you know Nigerians worship money. Hey, Burnaboy, hey, Wizkid, hey, this thing. Then now walk out for road, they made their own hail now throw some small change, some small Naira up and down so that people go feel say, okay, yes, una be odogu. You people are nothing. We don't benefit nothing from you. But I don't blame you. This kind of things will continue because Nigerians love to worship money. If not, therefore, no say three of now no get used to us. These are you people are supposed to be role models. So if tomorrow when I get opportunity to enter power, what is your track record? What can we say? Okay, yes, because when these people no get this social thing, this is what they were doing with the little that they have. Do you know what it means? A country they suffer, a lot of youths they cry, so they know they see food chop, no jobs, nowhere. And now they buy cars of 3.something billion, 1.something billion, 2.something billion. It is your money, but they see you people as role model. And if you must put it online, we must criticize you, bro. If you know what more criticize una, more put on for more they hide down the drum, more just see una with card, then make people go they guess. But you people put these things online because you now want make people hail una say una get. But by so doing, una they depress a lot of people. There's no hope, no encouragement from you guys. There's no encouragement. And Davido, for your mind now, for you, David, if you are thinking in your mind that, oh, I guess so money to orphanage and all those things are not empowerment. Yes, it is good to give to the motherless babies and to the widows. It is very, very okay. There's a lot of blessings that come with that. But all those things are no empowerment. When will you start directly benefiting from you in a country where we say government not they do well? Me, I'm very, 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 very much disappointed in Burnaboy, because Burnaboy, you know the struggle. Burna, you know the struggle. Before this thing where very dark man they talk, you said they talk before. From nowhere, money start to come in your hand, you join. You join them automatically. Now they make me fear. This thing they make me fear. When I see all these guys do these things, and they always fear. Say, true, dude, is it that if they give youth this power, what would they find? What would they really do? What would they really do? I said last year they did the same thing. Competition of wealth. Wizkid buy, Davido buy, Burnaboy buy. 2 billion, 1 billion, 800 million, this one, that one. As at 2022, I'll be 2020, Davido fly B-Batch. Regular blue, flying from plane, come Nigeria, boah. Boah. I hear say now this guy for Port Harcourt, now he buy him now from his hand. You get cars, nobody say you don't get. What would you say the benefit? Maybe the next time now, show people go see you. Maybe not the next election for the state. Maybe that will be the next time they will see you. And again, boah, they'll just see their celebrity. What would you say you have done? What is your record? Then I don't care about the three of you, to be very honest. I don't care if none of you want to like me. You know, me, I don't really care about the likes. And the truth, me, I'll just tell you now. But if you do, you were there, your own, they won't pay me too. As Burnaboy own, they pay me now, so your own, they pay me. Because I know you. But Burna, your own hurts more. Your own hurts more. Because you know where they come from and you know how streets be. And you were once talking against all these things. But you get opportunity, nothing you don't do. And you guys should get the fuck out. Anyways, peace and love. Don't play. If you play, you're gonna learn, and you will learn the hard way. And like I said, Wizkid, Surulere, Alpha. Alpha. It's you Surulere people, if you talk, say they benefit from Wizkid. Machala, 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 machala. What would they say they benefited from? Machala. I feel like to just hail you. Since you come from there. I mean, you come from Mojo Elegba, which place safe? Oh. Peace and love, don't play. If you all play, go and learn. I will learn the hard way.
I tell you, only one Abuja car.
Yeah, bro.
Do have it easy. Let me do that.
Yeah, some will argue, now money, you can do whatever you like with it. I agree. But listen, these guys are public figure. They are top out there. What are they actually doing, you know, to also help their fans back? Have these people ever come out to speak on the hunger that is affecting us today? Remember, they have a voice. They have lots of followers. What's your take on that? You know, be like, say, we can't talk and finish. I'll leave her for now. Make una talk put. Join us every day on NAIJA Watch Media. Live stream, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that is affecting you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.